Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tony versus the World.
You already know what time it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the sequence. Welcome back to the vlog. I am your humble and gracious host, Tony, and this is Tony versus the World. Yes, we are still in Antigua today, and guess what? We're going to talk about a couple of the main staples that they have there. One is Shirley Heights, the lookout on Shirley Heights, where, believe it or not, they have a huge barbecue. From people come from all over the island, to everybody bring their own food and dance and party until midnight. We're gonna go until Shirley Heights, that place right there. Unfortunately for me, it's still during the times of COVID, so the whole barbecue, the whole big party was shut down, but I still got to go there and still got to see some of the sights and look off into the ocean, all of that type of nice stuff. I got a long video for that for you guys, and you're gonna love it. Also, we're gonna go to English Harbor, where I got to see this huge mega yacht. It's the biggest yacht I've ever seen in my life, and believe it was awesome. You gotta see it. Just wait till you see the video. You gotta see it. So check this out. We're gonna go to the video, and then we're gonna come back afterwards and talk about it a little bit. So check it out. Here goes the video of our second day in Antigua. I think it was the second day. I'm not sure, but guess what? Here it is. I couldn't let another day go by without seeing the sunrise from this mansion. Today I have absolutely no plans, and I'm just gonna find what trouble I can get into. I had heard earlier from some of the locals that English Harbor was the place to go. You can get food, you can see the sights, everything. So guess what? That's where I went.
Follow me on Instagram at johan.sal. S-A-L.
Then I found this, just sitting there waiting for me, calling my name. there at all, just watching it. Just dreaming about the day that I actually own one of those things. Can't wait. So I found this restaurant for lunch that I wanted to go to. It's actually called Cloggy's, and it's a funny name, but the food was actually pretty good. And you can sit outside and watch the boats come in and leave. It's a good time. Great atmosphere. And then to the mountains. It wasn't that bad of a hike down. You just had to watch out. Some of the rocks were jagged. But other than that, it was okay. And it was worth it. The views were everything. Alright, so like I said, that was Shirley Heights. And Shirley Heights, like I said, it was a crazy place. We got to go down the trail and actually go almost all the way down into the ocean to see everything. It was crazy. I definitely have to go back there to go to when they had a barbecue and a party, because it seems like an awesome time. I've seen other videos on YouTube where I'm going to link them up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Huge party, everybody has fun. It looks like the greatest time on earth. And the yacht, oh my god, I can't even tell you. I wasn't allowed to film on the yacht, but that's okay. I don't care. I had the experience. It was great. You guys got to see it. It was actually about, I think, 100 and some foot yacht. And if you know anything about yachts, we're easily talking into almost just about $100 million. Crazy amount of money. Some of the locals told me that that particular yacht is there all the time. So whoever owns that particular yacht comes there, they said at least once a month. Crazy. I definitely have to go back there and, well, hopefully one day own one of those. That's one of my dreams in life, just to be able to sail around the world and do everything I want to do. So of course, I don't even need to tell you guys, I've got more and more, lots and lots and lots of more footage for you guys to see. It just takes me a while to put together these videos, but stick with me. I got you. Come back next time. This is Tony versus the World.